Hi friends, welcome to my channel Starting Friend. Today I'm going to talk about this cryptocurrency that is Soon Coin. In this video I'll be talking about latest technical analysis. So let's begin. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. So you can see the current price is $0.6056. It is down by 60%. Rank is around 175 position. Around 7k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $179 million and the volume in 24 hours is $37.17 million and it is down by 0.35%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So you can see that previously the candles were falling and then it has started moving up. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the resistance trend line and this is the support trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles are moving up. And if you go to the weekly chart, you can see previously the candles have come down to support level after the fall and then it has gone to the resistance level and then the fall is happening. Okay, so if you draw the trend line, okay, if you go to the daily chart, you can see candles were falling and previously you can see candles were moving in this uptrend channel pattern. So you can see, let me draw it properly. So this is the support, okay, and you can see candles were moving in a upward direction. Okay, so this is the uptrend and the breakout has happened, so candles are falling. Okay, and you can see, and if you draw the trend line, you can see within this channel pattern only the fall may take place if there is a breakout happen. So as of now the breakout didn't take place, and if the candles like reverses from here, it may go again to the resistance level. Okay, so if you go to the daily chart, you can see candles were falling in this channel pattern. Okay, if the breakout happens from this channel pattern, then it may go to the resistance level once again, then fall. Like this it may move in this channel pattern. Okay, and you can see if you go to weekly chart, so candles may move in this channel pattern. If there is a breakout happen above this, it may go up like this, or else the candles will come down to the support and then it may go up like this. So like this the fall may take place, and then after the breakout it may start moving towards the resistance level. So the resistance level is around 5.2 and the support is around 0.1307. okay, so either the breakout may happen in upward direction or it may come down to the support level from this in this downtrend channel pattern itself. The fall may take place if there is no breakout in upward direction. So you can see that very clearly. So now we'll talk about another cryptocurrency, that is River Coin, and you can see the current price is $3.65. it is down by 7%. Rank is around 340. Position around 3k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $71.67 million and the volume in 24 hours is $10.89 million. It is down by 0.1%. So now I'll go to the chart and see how the candles are moving. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart. So let me draw the trend line. You can see this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line, and you can see that if you go to daily chart, you can see previously the candles were falling from its resistance, it came down to support and then it has started moving in a upward direction. So if you draw the trend line, okay, you can see that this is the support trend line and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the candles were moving up. After the fall the candles went up and then the fall was happening. Okay, and if you go to the weekly chart, you can see continuously the candles may fall because already the breakout has happened. Okay, so here you can see if you go to daily chart, so previously you can see candles were moving in a upward direction. Okay, so this is the uptrend. Okay, and after this you can see little sideways it was moving. Okay, and then the breakout has happened, so candles are falling now. So if you draw the trend line, you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see candles are falling and you can see very clearly. Okay, and the candles almost at the resistance level. So from here if the reversal takes place, then candles may come down support and then it may come down to support, and then from here if it may move little sideways, and then it may give a breakout. If the breakout happens from here itself, then candles may start moving towards the resistance level. Okay, so if it takes a support at this level, then candles may start moving in a upward direction towards this resistance level, and then fall may take place. Okay, so like this it may move in this channel pattern. In case if it doesn't give breakout, then candles may fall to support, it may move little sideways, and then it may start moving in a upward direction. So you can see that. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.